Taking care of your skin in summer is very important. First, always use sunscreen. Choose a sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Apply it on all exposed skin, even on cloudy days. Next, keep your skin hydrated. Drink plenty of water to stay cool and help your skin glow. Use a light moisturizer that suits your skin type. It helps to lock in moisture. Also, don't forget to cleanse your face twice a day. Use a gentle cleanser to remove sweat and dirt. Finally, try to wear loose, breathable clothes. This helps your skin to breathe and stay comfortable in the heat. Summer skincare is key for healthy skin. Start by applying sunscreen every day. Use one with SPF 30 or higher to protect against harmful rays. Drink lots of water to keep your skin hydrated. This helps prevent dryness and keeps your skin looking fresh. Use a light moisturizer that fits your skin type. This will help maintain moisture. Cleanse your face gently twice a day. This removes sweat and dirt. Lastly, wear light clothing made from natural fabrics. This allows your skin to breathe and stay cool during hot days. Summer sun can be harsh on your skin, causing dryness and irritation. Proper skincare is essential for maintaining a healthy glow. During the summer, skin needs extra attention to combat the effects of heat, humidity, and UV exposure. Protecting your skin from the sun is crucial, but post-sun care is equally important. After spending time outdoors, using products like Hawaiian Tropic After Sun Body Butter with coconut oil can soothe and hydrate your skin. This lotion is a beach essential that helps extend your tan and maintain moisture. Its coconut oil formula provides nourishment, leaving your skin soft and refreshed. By including a reliable after-sun lotion in your routine, you can enjoy the summer without compromising your skin's health. Keep your skin radiant all season long. Hawaiian Tropic After Sun Body Butter. With coconut oil, 8 oze, the Hawaiian Tropic After Sun Body Butter with coconut oil is perfect for individuals who cherish their time in the sun and want to maintain their sun-kissed glow. Ideal for beach lovers and summer enthusiasts, this product is a must-have for those who wish to extend their tan while keeping their skin hydrated and smooth. Pros: 1. Contains coconut oil, known for its moisturizing properties. 2. Acts as a tan extender, helping to maintain your summer glow. 3. Lightweight and easy to apply, making it perfect for daily use. 4. Pleasant tropical scent that evokes the feeling of a beach vacation. Cons: 1. May not be suitable for those with coconut allergies. 2. The scent may be too strong for some users. The Hawaiian Tropic After Sun Body Butter is formulated with coconut oil, which is renowned for its ability to deeply nourish and hydrate the skin. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to soothe their skin after a day in the sun. The Body Butter's unique blend helps to lock in moisture, preventing peeling and keeping your skin feeling soft and supple. One of the standout features of this product is its function as a tan extender. By incorporating this body butter into your post-sun skincare routine, you can enjoy your tan for longer periods. Making it an essential item for those who love a lasting glow. Moreover, the tropical scent offers a sensory escape, reminding you of sunlit beaches and ocean breezes, thus enhancing your overall summer experience. To buy this product, click here. Frequently asked questions: how does coconut oil benefit summer skin? Coconut oil is deeply moisturizing, helping to maintain skin hydration during summer. It contains antioxidants that protect against sun damage. Its antibacterial properties can also help soothe sunburns and prevent infections. Using Hawaiian Tropic After Sun Body Butter can enhance these benefits, keeping your skin healthy and glowing all summer long. Is Hawaiian Tropic Lotion suitable for all skin types? Yes, Hawaiian Tropic After Sun Lotion is suitable for all skin types. Its gentle formula hydrates without clogging pores. The coconut oil and other natural ingredients Ensure it soothes and nourishes even sensitive skin. It's ideal for daily use to maintain healthy, radiant skin in summer. Can the lotion extend your summer tan? Hawaiian Tropic After Sun Lotion can help extend your summer tan. Its moisturizing formula prevents peeling and flaking. By keeping your skin hydrated, it helps maintain your tan longer. Regular use ensures your skin stays soft and supple, allowing your tan to last through the season. Why is after sun care important in summer? After sun care is crucial to soothe and repair sun-exposed skin. It prevents dryness and peeling, maintaining your skin's health. Products like Hawaiian Tropic After Sun Body Butter replenish lost moisture. They also provide essential nutrients to help your skin recover and stay radiant after sun exposure. How often should you apply after sun lotion? Apply after sun lotion daily during summer. For best results, use it after sun exposure and showers. This helps lock in moisture and repair sun damage. Regular use keeps your skin hydrated and prevents peeling, ensuring a soft, healthy glow throughout the summer months. Conclusion: caring for your skin in summer is essential for maintaining a healthy glow. The sun can be harsh and damaging, so it's important to have a good skincare routine. Using a product like Hawaiian Tropic After Sun Body Butter can be beneficial. It hydrates and soothes your skin after sun exposure. With its coconut oil, it nourishes deeply. This helps extend your tan and keeps your skin soft. Applying it after a day at the beach can make a big difference. Remember to stay hydrated and wear sunscreen during the day. Protective clothing and hats are also good choices. Keep your skin clean to avoid breakouts. Exfoliate gently to remove dead skin cells. This ensures that your skin stays smooth and refreshed. By following these steps, you can enjoy the summer sun while keeping your skin healthy and glowing. Stay safe and enjoy the sunny days.